Hello everyone, today we will learn to form greatest numbers and smallest numbers from given digits. Now how to form greatest number and how to form smallest number. Now to form greatest number, rearrange the given digits in descending order. That is, when to form the greatest number, we want to form the greatest number, we have to rearrange the digits in descending order. Similarly, to form the smallest number, we have to rearrange the digits in ascending order. So, to form the greatest number from the given digit, we have to rearrange the digits in descending order. To form the smallest number from the given digits, we have to rearrange the digits in ascending order. Let us see examples. The question is that form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the following digits only once. We have to use only once that digit. So it may be 3 digit, it may be 2 digits, it may be 5 digits. So we have to understand here. Now the digits given are 5, 6, 8 and 3. 4 digits are given and we have to use each digits only once, no repetitions, and we have to form the 4-digit number, greatest number and smallest number. Now to form the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. So we have to arrange the descending orders, the given numbers 5, 6, 8 and 3. So 8 from the given 4 digits, 8 is the greatest, after that 6, after that 5 and after that 3. So these numbers are arranged in descending order. So the greatest number formed is 8, 6, 5, 3. In this way you can form the greatest 4-digit numbers using the given digits. Now we have to form the smallest 4-digit numbers using these numbers, and every digit should be used only once. Now the digits given are 5, 6, 8, 3. So to form the smallest digit number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending orders. So here you can see that the smallest should be written first, that is 3, after that 5, after that 6 and after that 8. So we have here arranged the numbers from smallest to greatest. So the smallest number formed is 3, 5, 6, 8. Here you have seen that from the given 4-digit numbers, which is given that 5, 6, 8, 3, we formed the greatest number and the smallest number. Now for forming the greatest number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order, and so the greatest number formed is 8, 6, 5, 3. In the similar way, to form the smallest number from the given digits 5, 6, 8, 3, we have arranged the given digits in ascending orders. So ascending order is 3, 5, 6, 8. Hence the smallest number formed is 3, 5, 6, 8. In this way you can make numbers, greatest numbers and smallest number by using the given digits. Now we see more examples. Form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the following digits only once. The digits are given here. We have to form the greatest number, we have formed the smallest number. To form greatest numbers, we have to arrange the digits into descending order and then write the number. For writing the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order, and then the number formed is called smallest number. In this way, you can make the greatest number and the smallest number using given digits. Now we see a new here it is 0 is given, 3 0 9 1. Now how to use 0? In greatest number there is no problem, we have to write in descending order of digit, that is descending, that is at first greatest number comes, that is 9, then 9, then 3, then 1, then 0. So the greatest number formed is 9 3 1 0. Now to form the smallest number, we have to arrange them in ascending order. So ascending order is 0 1 3 and 9. Now no numbers start from 0, no numbers is start from 0. So we have to write the second smallest number first. So second smallest number first is 1, and after that 0 should be written. So the second smallest number is 1, and then we have write 0, then the in ascending order. In this way, during formation of the smallest number, we have to use second smallest number first, and after that we have to use 0. In this way, you can form the smaller digit numbers where one of the digits given is 0. Now see the next examples of 0. Here the digits given are 2 6 0 7. Now the descending order of the number will be at first greatest number, that is 7, then 6, then 2, then 0. So the greatest number formed is 7 6 2 0. Now for the smallest number, we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order, so here 0 is given, so the next small number is 2. So we have to write, to form this number is 2 first, then 0, then 6, and then 7. In this way, when 0 comes in a digit, you have to write smallest number in this way. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box. Enjoy learning.